Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a middleware library of Express which allows you to generate CSV files and download them inside your Node.js and Express application. So if I now tell you, basically if I open this application localhost 3000, so as I just visit this route here guys, as I open this route you will see automatically. If I now let me just start this application, so it is already, let me just open that, just change the port number because already one application is running here. So let me run this on localhost 5000. So as I go to the localhost 5000 guys, so what will happen, you will see, let me run this application nodemon index.js. So as I open this, you will see automatically a CSV file will be downloaded. You will see that. If I open this CSV file, you will see it will open this inside Microsoft Excel. It's a comma separated value file here. And also we can even add headers to this file as well by going to slash headers. So if I go to slash headers, now it will also have the column names. If you again open this CSV file, now it will have these column names A, B, C. You can edit these files as well guys. So let me show you the dependency middleware function that we are using for this. So if you go to npmjs.com, this is really important library, csv-express. This is basically the name of the library guys that we are using. So essentially it's kind of a middleware library or package, you may say. It already, you will see 3000 weekly downloads are there near about, and it's having a nice little example code as well. So I have given all the source code guys which I will use in this video in the description of the video. All the step-by-step instruction is given, so you can refer the blog post in the description of the video. So now to basically start this application, you need to first of all install a dependency. First of all, install Express, which will be the web server, and also we need to install csv-express. This is basically the dependency that we are using as a middleware function. So I've already installed it, so we can start our index.js file. So right here guys, we will first of all import the Express dependency. We will require this Express dependency here, and also we will be importing this middleware library guys, middleware, which is csv-express. And after this we will make a new Express application, and then we will simply start this application on port 5000. So how basically we can do that? It's very simple. So whenever you see, make a simple route here, app.get. So we can simply basically request response, and here you can simply download a CSV file by using response.csv. That's all. So this basically acts as a middleware function to the response object here, and here we can build out a simple file here. We can pass here array of objects, which is we can say John here 25. We can have another record here. So this is basically how we can construct the CSV file. So these are two records in CSV file. So now if I open this localhost 5000, so what you will find, CSV file will be downloaded. And now if you see here, let me see here why it hasn't. Oh, I think what we need to do is that here, let me see here why it hasn't. I think you need to surround these values in double quotes, all the values, numeric values as well. So you just need to surround this in double quotes. So you will see automatically. Let me see here. Let me paste this code here. Let me change the values here. So if you refresh, you will see now, you can see that John 25 India, Tim 29 new. You can see that our data is working. So now if I want to add headers as well, guys, let's suppose I want to add a column name name, age, country before these records. So I can make a new request out there, which is a new endpoint I will make, which is app.get/headers. And inside this, what we can say, we can construct basically this, we can pass a value here which will act as a column name. So this is the second parameter we are passing, which is true, which is for stands for column name. So if you want to pass column names as well, you will put here true. And now we will also can put here array of objects. So this can be name here, this can be age, and this can be country. So here we can like this, we can put the record here. So this can be age, this can be name. So now if you go to /headers here, basically a new CSV file will be downloaded, headers.csv, and you will see name, age, country. So in this way, guys, you can generate our CSV files and download them inside your Express application using this special middleware library, which is csv-express. All the source code is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much.